little kids. Today I am going to learn you how to draw a beautiful boat. Here I am drawing the wave of the water, and now I am drawing the boat over the water. Follow me and try to draw with me. It's so easy to draw a boat. I draw the beautiful boat, so let's color it. You can also try to draw like a beautiful boat and color it like me. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with new video. Till then, tata bye bye little friends.
Wow!